The boy has returned after years of agony and pain, but he's not a boy anymore.
Who is he?
The question everyone asks is not who is he, but what?
Azrael.
The boy has returned.